Hello, today we're going to read a story, a social story. Why can't I go to school? Most days I go to school. I like to play with my friends. My teachers love me a lot. True. I can't go to school right now. At school, there are lots of other children. When a lot of other children are together, they sometimes share their sneezes and cough. Sharing sneezes and coughs can make everybody sick. I am staying home until all my friends and my teachers are healthy. When everyone is healthy, we can go back to school. My teachers love me and are thinking of me. I hope you enjoyed the social story. Why can't I go to school? Have a good day.